Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating like mad and barely picking anything up, you're likely facing a motor issue. This can happen due to wear and tear or a buildup of debris, and if left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage to your device. Ignoring this problem can mean a bigger repair bill down the line or even the need to replace the entire vacuum. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged. To open the device, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws while keeping them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry the casing apart using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips that may hold the casing together. Next, you will need to locate the motor. It's usually situated near the bottom of the vacuum. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. Once found, disconnect any cables attached to the motor. It's important to note how these cables are connected, as you'll need to reconnect them later. When you have the motor exposed, there will be additional screws securing it in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, applying just the right amount of force to avoid stripping them. After unscrewing, gently pull the motor out, taking care not to disturb any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are in the same position as before. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the casing. Align it properly and gently press down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the casing, making sure everything is tight but not overly so, as this could crack the plastic. Now, plug in your Dyson and test it out to see if the vibration has stopped. If it works smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Dyson SV12. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your vacuum well maintained can significantly extend its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.